supporter, terutama untuk supporter, saya mengundang lagi untuk kembali lagi ke stadion untuk besok malam untuk mendukung kami, biarlah itu jadi motivasi tersendiri buat kami untuk bisa meraih hasil maksimal besok. Terima kasih.
Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat malam teman-teman, selamat datang di sesi PreMatch Press Conference BRI Liga 1 pertandingan pekan 26 antara tuan rumah PSM Makassar melawan tim tamu Persebaya Surabaya.
Selamat malam. First, I want to wish that tomorrow the supporters can come to Batakan Stadium to support our team. It's very important. It's going to be a difficult match against Persebaya. In the first round, we lose 1-0 there, and tomorrow we need the supporters of PSM Makassar supporters for our team and our boys can have more motivation and together can make a good performance, because just with a good performance we can make a good result. About the game, last match unfortunately we have unlucky with the referee, many mistakes, many fouls they conceded to Bali team, and in my opinion at least one penalty not give to us. It's already 19 penalties on 26 matches that we have for Liga 1, 19 penalties at least that the referee from Indonesia not give to us. And the last match, many mistakes. I remember Bessa make many falls, and after when get kartu kuning, make this on 5 fingers of the face of the referee. I think it's not good. The referee not show nothing. We already saw many referees make less things and show mera card to some players from our side or kartu kuning. So we hope that tomorrow, with the referee that don't have good performance with the games on PSM Makassar this season and last season, I hope that the referee tomorrow make good game. For after, if we lose, if we draw, if we win, we not speak on the referee. We just speak about the team that win or the performance of the two teams, because when we don't speak about the referee, it means that the referee make good job. And I wish that tomorrow who coming to the stadium can see a good game and the referee make good game also.
Ya baik, selamat malam. Kalau untuk saya mewakili semua pemain siap buat pertandingan besok. Untuk tidak berapa hari ini, nah kekurangan untuk pertandingan kami sebelumnya lawan Bali, pelatih sudah evaluasi buat kami semua, dan untuk pertandingan besok saya dan pemain semua siap untuk pertandingan besok, dan semoga pertandingan kandang besok kami boleh mengambil 3 poin di kandang ini lagi. Dan untuk supporter, terutama untuk supporter, saya mengundang lagi untuk kembali lagi ke stadion untuk besok malam untuk mendukung kami, biarlah itu jadi motivasi tersendiri buat kami untuk bisa meraih hasil maksimal besok. Terima kasih.
Saat ini di beberapa pertandingan juga belum pernah terkalahkan, artinya masih meraih hasil yang positif. Untuk laga besok melawan Persebaya, apa sih yang akan saya memutuskan? Data sendiri bahwa di laga sebelumnya additional Alves juga belum diturunkan karena cedera. Apakah kondisi sudah membaik seperti apa?
No, we already lose 8 times on Liga 1. If you say the last games, I agree with you, we not lose, but also we not win the last match also. So we need to stay humble. We are in a position that it's not comfortable because Arema have 27 points, we have 33, so we must be humble and respect all the teams, because in this way that we must see, this is a sport, a good competition. So tomorrow we need to be focused since the first minute until the end. It's not going to be easy because Persebaya with this coach not lose any game, and they sign new players on November that bring more quality for this squad. They are strong players on front, but also on the defensive line and midfield. Midfielders with good aggressive and intensity. So it's not going to be easy. About the injuries, yes, it's true. This season we have many problems with injured players. Zé Paulo come on November, and since there he don't can contribution 100% with the team because always injured, and other players. Last game also Adilson cannot play, and Riskieka and Andy, and it's not easy because we want to count with all the players. But when one player cannot play, it's because there is open opportunity for other player, and we must see the football in a positive way. So if Zé Paulo cannot play tomorrow, maybe there is an open window for other player can play, and I hope that this player that can play make good performance, not just individual but with the team also.
Oke, terima
Terima
kasih.
kasih.